Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome again. Let's continue with the previous section that assembly with the rear wheel drive mechanism that we design the parts of gears and motor. Okay, this is pretty simple. Let's switch back to this assembly our assembly section. Okay, okay, the part got changed. I think it's not more visible again. Okay. I don't know why it got changed. Oh, hold on. Part is not changed. We just hidden that part. I think so. Okay. Okay. The part got removed because we have done some modifications to this part, but it's still the same part. I don't know why it got removed. Mm, it's not a separate part as well. Let it be. We have to import the part again. Click on insert. Come to the switch modifications. You should find the part 39 and save it. Okay, so we have to fit this part here. So I'm going to fix this part, so I don't want to move it. Okay, let's select. Okay, switch to the previous read mate. Right click revolute, select edit, and deselect the red color part and select this region and save it. Okay, let's do the other side as well. They should could edit the revolute 14, remove the red color deleted mate part, and choose this region. It's the same previous region, guys, of the same part. Now they got aligned. Now you can unfix this part. Okay, everything got perfect. Let's import the motors and gates. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Save it. Now let's align its positions. Switch to RC modifications tab and check for the dimensions here. Okay, from this to this, it should be 1 mm, right? Switch to part 2 RC. Choose fastener mate. Choose the face of the cylinder and edge of the gear and give the offset value to 0.1 mm. It should be Z axis, guys. And save it. Done. Now go to switch RC modifications once again and see to the motor. It is same 1 mm. Actually forgot the dimensions as like previously explained, so that's why I'm going to and fro. Okay, you choose revolute mate right now because it should rotate. And give the offset value to 1 mm. Done. Okay, now let's fit this part of fit the gear to the shaft. Switch towards the modifications. I think the dimension to this edge to this edge is actually 11 mm. Okay, 11 mm. Remember, guys. So choose fasten mate, select the gear edge, and select the shaft and save it. Okay, you wonder why I selected from the shaft diameter because it should be fixed to the shaft, not to the body. And in the part studio, we have such look at for the distance from body to gear. So that's why I chosen this. Now let's see the actual distance here. It should be 11. So it's currently tall. Let's adjust to 1 mm diet offset. Select offset, choose 1 mm again, and save it. Now it get aligned to its position. That's cool. Yes. Okay. Now fit this part again. Save it. Now let's fit the motor. From this edge to this edge, it is zero point 0.5 mm. Let's do the same. Select first and mate. Okay, select this edge and select this edge. It should be zero point 0.5 mm, right? It should be minus value. Save it. Something got disturbed here, isn't it? Let's undo the operation. Let's fix the base. Now do the same operation here. Choose this circle and this edge. Click on solve. Choose offset value and give to 0.5 mm. Press enter. It should be minus value. Okay, now it's got adjusted and save it. Now we completed the assembly of the rear wheel drive shaft motor. Okay, so let's add the gear relation to it. Before that, the wheel should be assembled here, assembled to the shaft. Actually, they are not ready. The shaft is also not fit yet, as you see. So let's fit the shaft here. Let's choose this diameter and this one. It should be 19 mm center. Choose W. Choose this edge and this edge. The offset is 19 mm and save it. Now we have to fit the wheels as well. Let's fit the wheels. Who will do the same operation on the other side as well. Done. Now I successfully fitted the wheels here. So we have to do the same operation of fixing the wheels to the other two wheels as well because they're not fitted to each other. Did you get it? You can actually do it very simply. Just choose a linear pattern in the assembly section. Choose every part of the wheels and choose axle. Now choose the direction, selecting any edge and give the value. I don't know the exact value. Let's try adjusting it. It's currently 40. Let's give it 3 value and save it. Now the wheel spot is done. Let's search. Yeah, it's exactly 40. We are done the 40. We don't need these wheels anymore. Just select those and press delete. Okay, now let's add the gear relation to it. It's very simple. Click on gear relation and choose the revolute mates that is connected as revolute mates. One is for motor. So okay, one is for shaft, that is this one, and another is for motor and this one. So the teeth are actually 10 is to 25. So it should be 2.5. Okay, let's save it. Let's animate it. Okay, they're actually running in same direction. Let's edit the gear relation and choose reverse direction. Okay, now save it. Let's animate any of the function mate. Let's choose the gear one and choose animate and play. Okay, the ratio is too much slower. Let me edit is the value to instead of 2.5. Let's keep it. Let's keep it the value to other ratio. That is 10 divided by 25 is 0.4, 0.4 and save it. Actually, the gears are not aligned correctly. You can adjust them. Okay, I'm going to choose the edit the mate connector of the fastening mate of the gear, clicking on the move and rotating it a bit. Okay, it's not moving. Let's undo this operation. Let me rotate the let me rotate for motor. Oops. Okay. Let's give it a 2.5 value. They got aligned. Now let's animate. Hope it should work. Uh-oh. Nope. Let's keep the value to 2.5. Let's edit the mate connector once again. Let's keep it 0. Let's decrease the degree value. Okay, that's fine. Hope it will rotate good. Okay, now they are actually working. Let's keep it low and give the value to 150 steps, and let's animate. So here every wheel is actually moving because of we do the linear pattern operation. So this is how we can achieve the animation and do the assembly here, guys. I hope you like this video. Let's continue with the next video of completing adding the motor for steering mechanism. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel, guys. Your support is will always will help for me. Thank you for watching.